On a quiet night in the magical town of Willowbrook, young Ella Moonstone receives a mysterious letter about the Midnight Mirror, an ancient artifact that appears only at midnight. With her owl, Orin, she ventures to an old oak tree, where the mirror emerges. Upon touching it, Ella is pulled into the mirror world, a strange, surreal place filled with shadows and floating islands. In this world, she meets the guardians of the mirror, who explain that the mirror is a gateway between worlds, and its power is fading. To restore balance, Ella must find the heart of the mirror world. Guided by the guardians, she journeys through mystical landscapes, crossing the river of reflections and entering the chamber of echoes, where mirrors reflect her past and future. Finally, Ella reaches the heart of the mirror world, a powerful, ancient mirror. But before she can restore it, a dark sorcerer trapped within the mirror challenges her. With Orin and the Guardian's help, Ella uses the mirror's power to defeat the sorcerer, restoring the mirror world and securing the Midnight Mirror's magic. As a reward, the Guardians give Ella a shard of the heart of the mirror, granting her protection and guidance in future adventures. Ella returns to Willowbrook feeling accomplished and proud, ready for whatever magical journey lies ahead. The end